This is a quick note about the number one rule of enterprise sales. I was laughing today with one of our investors about how much I believe two things that are maybe a little bit in tension, but that I don't see any conflict between. First, I'm all in on remote work and distributed teams. I think that you can get pretty much everything done today over video and using tools like Notion and Slack. And we're definitely living that life at Daily with 65 people in 10 or so countries. But second, I believe that the number one rule of enterprise sales is that you get on a plane to go see customers whenever you can, as often as you can. When you're trying to build a relationship and work towards a sale, and once you made the sale, forever and ever and ever. For the last 3 years, we've been pretty limited in how much we travel, but now we can travel again and we're getting on planes to go see customers again. Honestly, I love it. How often do you get on a plane or in a car or on a train to go see your biggest customers? Today's music is a wonderful version of Turnaround. It's a duet with Hampton Hawes from Charlie Hayden's The Golden Number album, recorded in 1976.